Hello. So in this video, you'll see how to delete a plan from a planner directly from the Planner Hub, not from the Teams. So sometimes if you have a planner which is associated with Teams and its channel, you can delete it directly from the Teams. I have already posted a video, so the link is in the top of this video. You can see that. But if you have directly created a planner, a plan in the Planner Hub, like here, and if you want to delete that, how to do that. So let's see. So once you are landed in your Planner Hub, so this is how it looks like. Come down and click on all plans over here and make sure which plan you are going to select. Let's choose I'm going to get rid of plans for December, so click that. First I would say to back up and or delete all the the task which importantly which you want to do before deleting it, or and let the users know that you're going to delete. So once you did that already, so click on this title of the plan, okay. Under the plan settings on the right hand side, you can come down and look for an icon, small icon at the very bottom. You may not notice previously, it's called delete this plan with a very small icon. So click that. It will warn that you're going to delete this plan permanently, and you understand it, tick and click on delete. So this will permanently delete all your plan and its contents and attachments and all the details whichever you put for each and every task, and the buckets will be permanently deleted. So this is how you delete a plan from the Planner Hub directly, not from the Teams. Okay, hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.